Welcome everyone and welcome back. Those of you who are new and returning, I am Helene here at Cabin Fever Crochet in northeastern Washington State. So you can see we got a little bit of snow already. It was pretty covered in the trees. It's melting off. And on this gorgeous afternoon, thought I'd come outside, pop on for a few so I can announce the winner of the Arcane Fibers giveaway, and that is now closed. So I have picked the winner through the random comment picker. First, I want to go over the yarn real quick and let you know, as part of the collaboration with Arcane Fiber Works, I received some yarn in return for working up a design project around that, which I am in the works, a tutorial for you. And because I received more yarn than I had expected, I have, which I hope will be a series of 3 projects through the winter season. I've already worked up one prototype of one, so now it's just about getting the tutorial done. And when the collaboration started in the works back in August, it was still summer, warmer weather. I had something else in mind that was going to be lighter weight, so I'd requested DK yarn, which I received for all of the yarn. However, it's not a real thin yarn, as I had explained in my last video, and this is 218 yards per 100 gram hank, and it's on the lighter end, but it's not super thin. The winner receives 2 fall feelings and 1 golden yellow. Oh, and just as another friendly reminder, I have a 10% off your first order coupon code to Arcane Fiberworks. The code for that is in the drop-down description box below. All right, and now let's get to the giveaway. Well, I was going to show you the comment picker in action, but apparently I was so focused at what I was doing on screen that I didn't realize my camera was pointed at my keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and announce the winner. Big congratulations to MS. Not sure how to pronounce the center of that. Last portion is Chick. So MS Chick, please get in touch with me. My email address is in the drop-down description below. I need your mailing address, and you have 1 week to get in touch with me to claim this giveaway. That is 11:59 p.m. Pacific time on Tuesday, November 28th. Well, thank you all so much for being here, playing along. That was really fun, and I sure hope you'll come back again next time. Until then, take good care, happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you soon.